Okay, on behalf of our guests, visitors from the Mountain View College, the MVC Praise Team, in behalf of the wife of the evangelist, Pastor Marcelo Sigui, Ma'am Dr. Tabeta Beth Sigui. Happy Sabbath, ma'am. Wala siyang asawa sa ato ang pastor, kanadto nag-start sa Tambakan sa pinaka-first na evangelistic effort. So, ako lang ni summary lang ang akong buhaton ani.
Grabe si ma'am. Kung ano din na edad ani ni ma'am?
Yes.
70.
So, muraog, dili ko katulong ang atong bisita, mga gwapa, kaayo. Thank you. Most of them are doctors, no? So, in their field of expertise sa medicine. Then, the rest are evangelists, no? So, nag-travel sila around the world. So, para lang ilay po tayo ng ilang mga misyon o ang ilang mga missionary works. So, marag magkinahanglan ko ani dali lang. Nganong naabot kita niini nga lugar? Nganong dunay simbahan nga Seventh-day Adventist sa Tambakan? So, sugdo na ako ang pagbasa, kay ako maning English, ako na lang po Bisaya. Ano masabtan sa tanan. So I am having 10 pages of the history of Tambakan since it was established in the year 1976, but I'm going to make it brief and concise. So, the establishment of the Seventh-day Adventist Church in Tambakan, Iligan City. The first Tambakan Seventh-day Adventist Church. In May 1976, an evangelistic effort was conducted in Tambakan, Iligan City by a group of dedicated Seventh-day Adventists led by Pastor Marcelo Sigui and the wife, Dr. Tabeta Sigui. So they were assisted by chaplain Pastor Peter Donton, chaplain sa una sa Tibanga Central Church, of course with the help of other workers, Romy Di Colomon, Boy Flores, and two laymen proudly to present who helped the first evangelistic effort in Tambakan. No other than Elder Demetrio Cabante and Elder Marciano Arellano. So, moto ang dua kalimin nga nag-help nila sa first evangelistic effort. The first baptismal ceremony was then held in Purok 7, dito sa among session, unahan jutay sa balay namo. So, that was the first baptismal ceremony held in Purok 7B, Tambakan, Iligan City, and was officiated by Pastor Apolonio Somoso. That time, I was 12 years old. No? So bright pa kayo ang akong imagination until now. I can imagine, during that time sa pagbaptize, hangin ka June man, tingkuan man na, ting bagyo. So, nakinaptanay mga 28 kabuok, galiuk-liuk among tiil sa tubig diha sa Purok 7B baybayon dagat sa Tambakan.
Elementary pa ko ato, Jay.
So, it was Pastor Apolonio Somoso sa Central Church na siya ang nagbaptize sa Amua. This historic event marked a significant milestone in the growth of Adventist Church in Tambakan, Iligan City. So, the year 1976 therefore stands a landmark year in the history of Adventists in Tambakan, commemorating the first major evangelistic effort and baptism that contributed to the development of vibrant and enduring Seventh-day Adventist congregation that we have observed right now. So, sa mga church dito sa Iligan, sa Tambakan, na-built na 4 times. The first was in Purok 4. Dito napita, nakainak ko siya no? Purok 4. And I can still imagine, kung naalangon tayo, camera at the time, but I can still imagine